All right, everyone, here's a quick guide on how to change the points awarded per play in ESPN Fantasy Football. If this guide helps you out, leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but do not subscribe to me. Only the league managers can do this, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go under League here, click on League, and then right under your league name, it will have a settings page. Under Settings, we are going to scroll all the way down under Scoring and click on Scoring, and now we can change the score or points awarded for passing yards, passes attempts, everything, incomplete passes, everything like that. We can change every single point awarded depending on how you want to score your fantasy league. I think field goals should give a little bit more points on field goals made and field goals missed. So I would want to change this to 1 point for a field goal made and 1 point for a field goal missed. So yeah, that is how you change your stats on or points awarded on ESPN Fantasy Football. I hope that helped you guys out. Again, like and comment for the algorithm. Do not subscribe to me.